Happy Saturday. This is Sherry from Style Tips with Sherry. I'm so glad you're here today because we're going to have fun unboxing a surprise gift that the company Artza sent to me. And this is a subscription box that is not fashion, but it is faith. And as the holidays are coming up, you might be thinking, what can I get for that special family in my life, like your life? What can you get that teaches them about the Old Testament and Judaism and just Christianity in the and in Israel? And I am so super excited for you to see. Well, I'm excited to see what's in this box as well. But let me just tell you a little bit about the company. So they have a subscription box that comes out 4 times a year. You can either just buy one box, you can buy all 4, you can buy 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, or you can, get the subscription obviously for the whole year. But this is a company that started in COVID, the year 2020 of COVID. And the reason that the owner started this company, the founder, is because thousands of businesses were affected with COVID and shut down. And so he thought, how can I help these businesses to, what part can I do? And they have had over, I believe it is 10,000 businesses that have been helped by these boxes since 2020. And that's amazing. I've got a little note here. They've sent out 69,000 boxes and they have over 10,000 subscribers. So I just think it's wonderful to be able to help companies like this and to help companies that are helping people with this, and it will help you in learning more about the area. Well, this box is from Negev. So it's from the Negev region. And Genesis 12:4 through 10 talks about Abram journeying into the Negev. And so it really does bring the Bible to life. Absolutely love, love, love that. And so we're going to go through and we're going to check out and see what is in this box. I have a few little notes here just from a meeting that I had with them, but I still haven't seen what's in here. So I'm going to keep this in front of me. All right, let's go together and see what it is. All right, so first of all, I think I showed you, it comes in this really nice green box. I don't know if it's always green, but this is the fall box. I will not be showing you the Christmas box. It's not out yet, but but I would say that would be a good box to get for a family member or, a family. I was thinking today, I was even talking to my husband, I thought this would be a great gift for a box subscription for a homeschooling family. People that are educating their kids at home, and even if you're not homeschooling, you're educating your children at home and you're really helping them to learn what it's all about in Israel. All right, so here we go. Every box comes with, first of all, I want to share this with you. Every box comes with 2 cardstock cards talking about the region. And what I heard that some of the other people do is they laminate these and use them as placemats. And so you could turn it over and it talks about, about the company. This talks about Negev. It explains what it is. And I think that would be really neat, to even talk, say, okay, which placemat do you have tonight? And give us a little, tell us one thing about the city that you are, that you have from Israel. So anyway, there's that. So I'll put those down here. And then let's see. So I've got, it's got a little sticker. Okay, so pretty. I don't know if you can see. I'm going to just kind of show you. It looks so pretty here. Look at all this. This is what I was telling you. It comes with a sticker, kind of, it's closed up, and then you open it up, and there are all the beautiful, beautiful things in there, and we're going to learn about them. Okay, so let me get that back there. All right, so let me also grab what these cards are. Is that actually explains what each of the items are. So I'm going to kind of lay those out so I can, and it talks about the artisan in the back of what they each are. So let's see. Let me see if I can get some kind of order here, you guys. Oh, okay. So I see this first. Okay, so this is Super Berry Granola. Okay, How about that? All right, so let me read about it. It's called Artisanal Israelite granola with a fresh dollop of breakfast yogurt and berries. It would be a great way to have it. I think the recipe in here is I think somebody said it was on yogurt. So Danny and Galet's story, sure I'm not saying that right, husband and wife, Galet and Danny. This granola represents the core of their company. Healthy, nutritious, flavorsome, and rich in all the natural goodness that the wonderful land has to offer. In 2009, Galet and Danny founded their bakery with one founding principle: how can we create healthy and natural food without compromising on flavor? We want to create the most delicious snacks and treats to go along with our morning coffee without worrying about it being unhealthy. For Artza, Galet and Danny created this delicious granola blend mixed with healthy superfoods such as chia seeds to give you that extra morning boost. We hope that every bowl brings with it that delicious guilt-free enjoyment that Galet and Danny worked so hard to create. Okay, so I can't wait to try that. That is really amazing. Okay, so there's that. So the next thing I'm going to pull out of the box is a Connecting Hearts game. It's a game experience for the whole family. All right, so here's what it says about it. How's the game played? The pile of heart cards is placed at the center of the table with the questions facing downward. At their turn, each player picks up a heart and reads the question out loud. For example, what is the first thing you do when you get home? The other players attempt to answer the question, guessing what the player who picked up the card does first when he gets home. After everyone shares their answer, the player whose turn it was gives the heart to whoever answered most accurately. The next player that picks a heart from the pile, and so on. The winner is the player with the most hearts at the end of the game. How fun would that be? A good, clean family game, which, there aren't a lot of those anymore. All right, so that sounds like fun. Next is, right up my alley, maybe up yours, facial mask. It is a green clay, let's see if I can get it there, a green clay and laminaria facial mask for all skin types. And there is a card on that one. And it says, okay, so it was made by Esther. And there's a picture of Esther right there. There she is, probably with her husband. It says, after traveling the world extensively, spending her time learning from traditional natural healing experts, Esther Lockman decided to follow her lifelong passion and study natural pharmaceutics in the U.S. Esther started to research and experiment at home using natural plants and natural oils. With a slow start and humble beginning, Esther has gone on to found her company, Arugot, A-R-U-G-O-T, published 2 very successful books, and was appointed as faculty head at the Israelite Herbal College. All ingredients used in every product are grown and sourced from her own organic farm located in the Negev desert near the Gerar River, where Abraham and Isaac dug their wells. How exciting is that, you guys? Oh my goodness, that's so amazing. For Artza, this deep cleansing clay mask renews fatigued skin. Enriched with kelp, known for brightening skin and organic hemp seed oil, this mask will nourish your skin with minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants, resulting in an especially glowing and smooth complexion. You can also use the mask locally for spots or pimples. Directions: apply on dry, clean facial skin for 5 minutes and wash with warm water. Okay, guess who's going to try this? How great is that? Oh, thank you, Esther, for putting that in here. So exciting. What am I going to get next? Oh, goodness. This is a Dukkha spice mix. And I'll bet you it goes along with the recipe card that I have here. And the recipe is for a hearty Dukkha yogurt soup. So does it call for the spice? I'll bet it does. Butter, large diced onion, garlic, olive oil, chopped carrots, and Dukkha spice blend, a few other ingredients as well. Water or coconut milk. Chopped pumpkin, sweet potato mix. Anyway, how great. And what a fun thing to do for, just for your family, something new from another place. And I love that they actually give you the spice mix. Last time I opened one of their boxes earlier this year, I didn't know what the spice mix was for. And it was after I did the video, I'm like, what is wrong with me? I didn't even know it was on the recipe card. So there you go. So that's exciting. And this was created by Or and Ari. And so, there you go. Okie dokie. Here's another fun thing that's in here. I saw this. I don't think it just came in with the cards. It's a crossword puzzle. And so you can test your Negev knowledge. And again, if you've got children you're educating and you want to kind of play it, that would be fun. They might have to read part of the Bible though, because they might not know the answers to this unless they dig into, maybe it's in Genesis. I don't know. Okay, let's see. What else is in here? This is a unique hand-painted ceramic dish. Okay, so this is, oh my goodness, I bet this is beautiful. All right, so it's from the Israel South, and I am going to read the back of this. It might be easier. I think it has to do with this, so you could paint this. All right, so this is from a company called Addy, and Addie's story, let me tell you about their story. The group that makes this was actually made by a gal named Rachel. Addy is the company, like I said. This stunning handmade, and I'll open it in a second and show you. This stunning handmade and hand-painted ceramic plate was lovingly created by Aldi, the Ability Boutique. The Addy ADI residents are children, adolescents, and adults with severe disabilities who created these plates as a part of their rehabilitative vocational workshop sessions. The proceeds from each sale provide long-term opportunities for creative exploration, life skill development, and personal growth. ADI provides individualized growth plans and specialized services needed not only to grow but to thrive, heal, and return to their lives and the community at large, with tangible opportunities for encountering disability, raising awareness, and promoting acceptance. Says, we are so proud to be able to work with such an incredible organization. We are honored that you are the reason that we are all able to support ADI. You guys are the reason when you get a box. They decided on an olive leaf pattern, a symbol of the Holy Land since the time of the Bible, to remind you of the land of Israel every time you see this dish. And it says here on the back as I open this, for Rachel, so she was one of the gals probably that made this, meaningful and creative work makes all the difference. She is one of hundreds of precious children and young adults with severe disabilities. All right, so I took this out and, oh, look how beautiful this is. It's about, okay, so it's about a little bigger than the size of my hand. I've got a big hand, but it's not big. I mean, it's like a little saucer plate, but you could put jewelry in it. You could leave it in the kitchen. You could probably use it as a hand, for a spoon holder. But how beautiful is that? Absolutely beautiful. All righty, let's keep going. There are two more things in here. Oh, look at this beautiful wooden cross. I don't see the what this is. So I don't know exactly what this is, you guys. I don't see it, but it's beautiful, and I'll bet you somebody carved it, maybe even out of olive wood. Look how pretty that is. And again, fits in my hand. How that would bring comfort to someone who maybe needs a little comfort. Hold Jesus, the cross, right in their hand. And then the last thing, and I think this is the premium item. I'm pretty sure. Oh, I hope I can get this open without a knife. Okay, here we go. Oh, paint, little paint things. Remember when we were kids and we would go get those little, they came with like little paint things. I bet they still make those. All right, let's see. What is this? What is this? What is this? It is a tile, and it is a Moroccan tile, right? So it looks like this, and it gives you directions on how to paint it. It also comes with a few, like there's a sticker, a couple stickers, different things you could put on it, and it comes with the actual paint. So that's precious. So I don't know which one is the premium item. I don't know if it's this or I don't know if it's the other, but both are spectacular. And So wonderful. All right, you guys, that is the fall 2022 Artza box. I would just say that, again, if you've got a special someone that you need to buy a gift for Christmas, it's under $100, like 70 some, I think, or 80, I'm not sure. But you can get 25% off if you use my code, which is, let me look it up because I got to see. It's if you order from them, all one word, Fashion Faith 25, you get 25% off. So I hope this is helpful just to see something that's out there that's not a regular run of the mill. How many of us are going to go spend $79 on a gift and it's going to, has no meaning? This has meaning. So think about this for your Christmas and for that someone special. And again, it'll be the Christmas box. I don't even know if this might be available for another 2 weeks, which you probably could get it. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And comment, what was your favorite item? And isn't this special? Tell me in the comments. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.